Hello everyone, this is Vanessa from Math with Van. As what I have always been emphasizing, there is no one-size-fits-all strategy. Certain questions will work best or better with model drawing. Certain questions will work better with other mode of presentation. So today I'm going to show you that how we can actually use a two-way table to solve this kind of questions easily. And why is that so? Because a two-way table basically will organize your data of two categorical variables into meaningful information for you. So let's take a look at this as what the statistician does. Right, a club consists of swimmers and runners. There are 108 boys. The number of boys is 3 times the number of girls. And the ratio of the number of swimmers to the number of runners is 7:2. 3/8 of the runners are girls. So how many swimmers are boys? Two categories: swimmers, runners. The other category is boys and girls. So let's start filling in the blanks here. So there are 108 boys. So where do I fill it in? That is the total of the boys. So this is what we call the two-way table. You read it horizontally and you read it vertically. As we read it horizontally, okay, the total will represent the total boys here and the total girls here. As we read it vertically down, the total here will represent the total swimmers and the total will represent the total runners here. And that will represent the grand total, which is the total number of members in the club. Clear? So 108 boys, where can I fill it in? Easy, right? So it should be here. Okay, so and then let's continue to analyze the next sentence. The number of boys is 3 times the number of girls. Okay, so it means that the number of girls is actually 1/3 the boys. So that is 36. So I can fill it in here. And then as you piece them together, what can you find? That is, we can find a grand total. And what do I mean by the grand total? That is, as what I've explained just now, is the total number of members in the club. Okay, so continue to analyze the next one. The ratio of the number of swimmers to the number of runners is 7:2. So 7 units here and 2 units over there for the runners. Oops, but we were told that 3/8 of the runners are girls. So here is 3/8. So how do I reconcile these two numbers? The number of runners must be split into 8 parts as well. So in order to make these two numbers happy, as I always say, there is to make use of their lowest common multiple. And what is the lowest common multiple of 2 and 8? 8 is that right? So how do I get 8? That means each parts just now must be further split into 4. And that will give me 8 units here. So the same thing here, I'm going to split it into 4. I would have 28 units here. So now I continue to fill in the rest. So 3 units, okay, represent the girls. So 5 units represent the boys. Right. And so how many swimmers are boys? So essentially, this is the information that I want. And as you look at it horizontally, if I know, since I already know the total number of boys, and if I know the number of boy runners, then I would know the number of boy swimmers, right? And how do I find it? That is to find the value of 1 unit here. And what is the value of 1 unit? As we continue to solve it, as you can see horizontally, 28 units, that means the total number of swimmers plus the total number of runners will give you the total number of members, and that gives you 144. So 1 unit is 4. If I know 1 unit is 4, 5 unit is 20. Right. So what is your answer here? That is your answer already now. 108 minus 20, which is 88. Simple as that. So remember, for two categories, questions involving two categories, you may want to consider using that as a simpler way of presenting your solution. So when you are able, first, to know the fundamental, understand the questions, and to narrate every numbers that you have gotten, the fun approach you have gotten, you would know how to solve the question. All right? That, I hope to see you around, and have a great day. Goodbye.